Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Continuing with my series on focus, we come to the four words would, W-O-U-L-D. Would, who, W-H-O, who, water, and go. Would, who, water, go. So let's start with the first word, would. Would you? I would. Would go. Would be. Lovey, what would you need for your school picnic? I would require a hat, some fruits and snacks, Mom. Would you like to have some cherries? What would you prefer? Coffee, tea or lime juice? Lime juice would be nice. What would you choose? A dress or a wristwatch? I would choose a wristwatch. Would you play with me, Savi? I tried opening the door. The door would not open. So we come to the next word, who. W-H-O, who. Who is he? Who is she? Who is this? Who knows? Who wants? Who was it on the door? Who are you? The shawl is pretty. Who made it? Who will cook today? Who is going to the market? Who are they? Who did that painting? It's very beautiful. Who is there? Who wants pizza? Who wrote the Mahabharata? Who is coming with me to the park? Who is thirsty? Who lives here? I love Kathak. Anyone who knows Kathak here? The next word is water. W-A-T-E-R, water. A glass of water, hot water, cold water, surrounded by water. I'm thirsty. I need water to drink. Can I have some water, please? Boil the water. Drink some water. Don't waste water. Water is a liquid. I will water the garden. Oil will float on water. A glass of water, please. The water in this river is very clean. Fish can't live without water. An island is surrounded by water on all the sides. The next word is go. Go ahead. Go on. Go to. Go around. Go with. Go straight. Go away. Let's go. Go to sleep. Here we go. Let's go by bus. It's late. I have to go home now. What time did your friend go home? Go back to your seat. I have to go to work. Let's go by taxi, okay? Don't go back to sleep. You have to go to school today. Comb your hair before you go out. Today, we have completed the next 20 words. And those words are in, is, it, I, if, was, with, what, we, were, when, word, which, will, way, right, would, who, water, go. So totally we have completed 60 words up to this series. As I say always, no translation. Whatever exercises I have done in each of my videos, please see it, repeat it, listen to it, repeat all the exercises with me, and you will be improving each day with those exercises. That's all for today. Meet you in my next lesson. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.